On January 4th, 2024, police stopped Joshua Neely after discovering his car's registration was suspended for mandatory insurance. When officers approached, Neely refused to provide his license, insurance, or even his name, and his behavior only made the situation more complicated.
Driver's license, insurance?
What am I being detained?
You're being detained because your plates are suspended mandatory insurance and it's subject to tow. Can I please get your driver's license and insurance?
I committed a crime.
Can I get your driver's license?
I committed a crime, sir.
Your plates are suspended.
What crime did I commit?
Alright, so your plates are suspended.
Is that a crime?
Yes, absolutely. So you are being detained. I am requiring you to give me your driver's license.
I committed a crime.
Yes.
What crime did I commit?
Suspended registration, mandatory insurance. So please hand me your driver's license and insurance, sir.
I do not want to handle my driver's license, sir.
Okay, so
there's no crime. I did not commit a crime.
Okay,
You're
sir.
saying I'm being detained.
Yes.
What crime did I commit?
Suspended registration, mandatory insurance.
I did not kill anybody.
I didn't say you did.
I was not driving under the influence.
I did not
have a weapon.
No.
And I'm complying.
So here, I'm telling you, sir. Your registration is suspended for mandatory insurance. That is a crime. I am requiring you to give me your driver's license. You need to, or you will be arrested. That's why what I would suggest is.
I wish to give my ID.
But
you're saying.
My suggestion is you comply with my orders because it's going to escalate. I'm trying to give you because you're not listening to me. You need to provide that to me. All right? You need to.
Can I give her my phone so she gets somebody to come get her?
What? My suggestion is you do that because if you don't, you could get arrested. So
I didn't commit a crime.
I already told you.
You're telling me something that isn't a crime.
It is a crime.
And if you're going to detain me and I don't feel like I should be detained,
what?
I'm not giving my information. If you feel like I'm going to get arrested for that, then
what I would suggest.
I don't consent to it. I don't consent
no,
to it.
No, you don't have to consent.
You need my information. You need my license and all that. You need me to consent to give that to you.
No.
You can't take my license or my stuff out of my pockets. That's illegal.
So, what I'm trying to help you out here.
I should never
you need to provide that information to me.
No, I don't need to do that because it requires my consent.
No,
I don't have to give you my personal information.
You asked me what crime did you commit in order for me to require your driver's license and name and date of birth. I told you that. You're not accepting of that, but it is required. Yes, it is.
I did not commit a crime. You know what a crime is.
Yes.
When you pull me over, I have to be doing something
illegal
dangerous on the road.
No.
Illegal, dangerous on the roads. Right? And then, like I say, I was pulling over to a safe stop, and the person jumped in front. So now I'm looking like, okay,
She did get hit?
Yeah. She jumped in front.
Yeah, he is.
And is she okay?
Pull up.
Is she okay? Is she okay?
You need to provide that information.
Is she okay? Is the lady okay?
You need to provide that information to me. So what I would suggest is
I did not commit a crime. I did not commit a crime. If you wanna
what?
I did not commit a crime.
He's just
I got pulled over. I did not commit a crime. Now you need my consent. I want to know what crime I committed. That's not a crime. So what federal law said I committed a crime? Can you tell me that, sir? I want to know what crime I committed. A crime. The definition of a crime.
Listen to me. I'm being patient. But I'm telling you, no, listen, let me talk, all right? Listen, I told you the crime. You were just involved in a 1050. That woman got
What's
hit.
a 1050? Excuse
A
me.
car crash.
Excuse me,
A
right?
car crash.
I have the right to pull over to a safe stop to yield to you.
Safe stop. You hit someone.
I didn't hit somebody. She walked
All
in
right.
the street and I stopped.
All right.
So hold on, let me ask you
And
this.
then
Sir,
another
sir,
thing
let me
is-
ask you this, sir. Can I ask you this? If you would not flash me to pull over to a safe spot to pull over to, would that have occurred?
You went through a red light.
Would that have occurred? You can't stop in the middle of the road. Can you not? You cannot stop in the middle of the road. I have to get to all safe passage to the right side, sir. I want to know the actual crime that I'm committing. I do not consent to give you my information if it's not a lawful crime.
I just told you the crime.
That's
You're
not a lawful crime.
providing that to me.
That's
I would
not-
suggest you do that because this is going to get way worse than you
Can
have
I
to
give
have
her
it.
my phone so she can call somebody to come grab her? And I say I didn't commit a crime.
I told you you did.
I did not commit a crime. You told me, but I'm telling you, as a public officer, I did not commit a crime. You're telling me statutes and codes, but you're not telling
I'm
me the actual
suggesting
crime.
you provide that information to me.
I'm
because
not, I
you
do not
will
consent.
get arrested.
I do not consent.
You don't have to
Yes, you
consent.
do.
Once
you need
I
consent.
believe that you have committed a crime,
What is the crime?
I told you suspended insurance, suspended plates.
What is the crime? Okay, she get my phone to where she can call somebody to get her, and I don't want it to escalate, but it seems like you're trying to escalate, and you're going to do
I'm
whatever
not.
you're
I'm
going to do.
explaining to you. You're
You're
not
going
providing
to
it.
you're going to do whatever you're going to do. I don't want her being traumatized by nothing that's going on right now.
So provide me with your
I
information
don't have
that you're
to
legally
consent.
required to do.
I don't have to consent to give you my information. That's private.
No,
That
it's
is
not.
private.
Not right now. It's
If
not
yes,
private.
it is.
I'm telling you, it's not.
That is.
So
That is. I don't get no. You need a warrant to go through anything in my
No.
car. Yes, you do. You need a warrant.
that's
I
not
know.
what it
Yes,
is.
you do. When you go to court,
I'm letting you know you will get arrested if you don't provide that. I'm trying to help you.
I
I'm
don't
trying
want
to
to
do
give you
it.
my information.
I'm
If
trying
you're
to
going
do
to arrest
it.
me based off a crime you said I'm committing, I'd rather get her my phone. That when she gets somebody to come get her, she go home. And like I say, I don't feel like I did a crime. You can't tell me what crime I committed.
I told you
I don't
that.
have.
The
There's no
plates
law
are
saying.
suspended mandatory
There's no
insurance.
law saying I have to give you my permission. You need my consent. So if you wanna arrest me, that's you're doing without my knowledge.
I need you to step out, man.
Why am I being? Why am I stepping out, sir?
Listen, I need you to step out now.
Can she get my stuff? Can she
Come
get my
on,
stuff?
step out.
Can she get my stuff before
I
you
need
make
you
me
to step out now.
Can she get my stuff?
I
I'm
need
gonna take care of all that. I'm Sergeant Williams. I'm a supervisor on scene. I'm here for transparency, and I'm here to hear your side of the story. When I understand your plates are suspended for registration, you're involved in a vehicle
It's
accident.
that a crime. A vehicle accident based off you flashing me.
What?
I can't stand, sir. I can't stand in the middle of the road. I have to pull off to a safe spot. You can't stand in the middle of the road, right? I pull off to a safe spot. Somebody jumps off and I stop. Okay, I want to see is that person okay? If I wasn't being put over, none of that would have happened.
I know.
I'm saying, what is the crime that I'm
But sir,
committing?
right now I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
Before I start the vehicle, I get her my phone and my items to where she can call somebody and get her. She's sitting on her phone is broke.
You can leave.
I don't want to make no sudden movements until I know I have you guys.
Well, that's why I'm a supervisor on scene. That's why you need, whatever you ask me to do, I can take care of that because you are being recorded right now. I can, whatever items you want me to give her, whatever, but you have to step out at this point. Okay?
Like I say, I don't consent to my car being searched.
You really don't have discretion because it's implying consent because your license plate is suspended.
I don't, but this is my property.
I'm asking, sir, you have every right, sir, you have every right to file a complaint if you think your rights are being violated. But at this time, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, please.
I want to know the crime.
Suspended registration, sir.
Can you show me the code?
We can when we step out.
If I step out, that's like giving you consent to go into my personal
Sir, but I'm
space.
asking you.
And when I step out, there's no guarantee what will happen to me.
Would you
if I
like to
step
file a
out.
complaint at the end of this traffic stop?
You're trying to take me to jail.
We're not trying to take you to jail. We're trying to identify you and this person.
I don't have to give my personal information to identify who I am.
Sir, I'm asking you to lawfully step out of this vehicle, please.
I'm gonna step out because I don't want
Do not reach for anything.
I'm not reaching for nothing. My hands outside. I'm gonna step out. I don't
Step
want.
out.
I
Put your feet.
Get out my own wheel,
Put
please.
one foot
I got my hands out the car so you
Put
can't
your
say I
foot
was
I just
out.
don't want you to reach if anything.
I'm
Put
not.
your
That's
foot
my
out.
hands out the window.
So come out.
Sir, can I please
Come
get
out.
on my own merit?
So move your feet out.
I am, but
So
you
do
grab.
that.
You gotta grab me. I'm finna comply. Do not grab me.
Make
So-
sure that Versailles stays.
Do not grab me.
So
Do not
move
grab
your
me, sir.
feet.
Let me.
Move your feet.
Let him
Let me step
Okay.
out. I just put my
Okay.
hands out the car. I'm not trying to be extra, you know.
Turn around.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Hands on the vehicle.
Step. Put
Right
him away
here.
from the car.
Hands on the vehicle.
Just
relax. Just relax.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
I'll do any sudden movements.
I'm
Okay.
not doing no movement, but y'all not telling me what crime. What's the crime? That's a whole scene.
All right, turn around.
You're
Turn
making a big deal about
Turn
it.
around.
Nah, 'cause I should have been pulled over if I ain't did nothing harmful on the roads. I did nothing to nobody.
You're not supposed to be doing.
You need consent.
No, you don't.
I don't. Yes, you do to get going.
All right, go ahead over there.
Right here, boss.
Hey,
Sit with me.
You get his ID?
No.
All right. We got to get your name and date of birth, sir.
I'm not giving you my.
All right.
Put his hands behind his back, then.
Can you please get on my phone with my stuff? So she get home.
We'll explain all that. Secure this guy.
You don't have permission to go in my pocket and snatch my things. You don't have permission. You don't have permission to go in my stuff. This is crazy.
He told you before your license.
You don't
Your
have
license.
permission to go into nobody's
You can
personal
argue that in court.
item.
You can argue that in court if you want to. You can argue that
What
against
is
your
the
complaint.
crime? What is the crime? You got a place you can.
You refuse to ID yourself.
I don't. What federal law says I have to ID myself?
You're on a traffic stop, man.
What federal law says I have to ID myself?
State law.
You guys, state laws, not over federal. You guys even ID yourself to me.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Man, it's crazy.
If you suspended, just say suspended, bro.
I got my license.
No, we're talking about your license plate.
That's gonna be a meeting phone call.
So I'm gonna get her out now? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the end, Joshua Neely was taken into custody and charged with obstruction.